Hello coders! So this video is going to explain exactly what to do for coding this week, the week of April 20th to April 24th. I hope to find everybody healthy and well and happy. Today's presentation agenda includes, I would like to start adding birthday celebrations. So let me know if you have a birthday coming up. I'm going to talk about Google Meet and Zoom, Amazon gift card winners, Breakout EDU Live, recap of last week, what to do this week, and Earth Day, Hyperdoc. So let's get started. First of all, I want to wish a very happy birthday to Joshua, who is 14 this Wednesday. I want y'all to make sure that you send him lots of birthday love through email or call him or text him. Let's make him feel very special for his 14th birthday. Anyone else's birthday, let me know so I can make sure to get I'll remind you guys that I want you all to, still wish each other happy birthday, even though we're not there in person to say happy birthday. All right, so the next thing that I want to talk about is in Google Classroom. You may have noticed at the very top, there's this new link that I activated, and it is called Google Meet. So anytime that you need to meet with me, we can both click on this link and we can do a video chat, and I can share my screen with you. So that is one other way. It's kind of like Zoom. We're still doing Zoom every Monday at 2 o'clock, but this is just something that if you need to talk to me face to face, we can do that through this link right here. Pretty neat. Okay, the next thing that we're going to talk about is Amazon gift card winners. The Amazon gift card winners for the Breakout EDU challenge go to Tennessee and Eunice this week. Woohoo! Good job, guys. I will get you those as soon as possible. Okay, so how to win this week. So I'm going to be posting an Earth Day Hyperdoc. Wednesday is Earth Day, and if you complete this Earth Day Hyperdoc, actually looks just like this, you are going to have to go to File, make a copy in order to make it yours and edit it, and then you'll have to share it with me when you're done. File, make a copy, which I'm pretty sure you all know how to do, make a copy. All right, and then share it with me when you're done, or I'll have a place for you to paste it on the Google Stream. And everyone that does complete that will be entered to win an Amazon gift card for the week. Okay, awesome. So I hope you do that if you have time, if you're not too busy with all your core classes. Okay, so let's see here. Oh, this is STEAM class, sorry. Okay, let's go to the next slide, slide 7. Oh, this is awesome. So I want to tell you guys about Breakout EDU Live. Every day at 1 o'clock. Actually, let me show you this. I just got an email from them, and this week on Breakout EDU Live, they tell you the topics each day. I played along last week, and they were not that hard. They were actually pretty doable, and they were actually really fun. They give out daily prizes where you can win robots and different games and kits, and this is how it works. Every single weekday at 1 o'clock, if you go to breakoutedu.com/live, you can solve a digital breakout room. And if you're one of the first ones done, then you get prizes. They send you prizes. And they send prizes for your school and for you. So definitely do that at 1 o'clock every day if you can. I'm going to try to do it too. That'd be so cool if you won prizes for the school and for yourself. Okay, so the next thing I want to talk to you about is a recap of last week. And I sent out the report that CodeHS sent me on Unit 1. And I just want to say thank you so much for those of you that finished it all. Justin Carmichael finished it. He was the first one done. He finished it the day I sent it out on Monday. So great job. I emailed out a weekly report on Monday to your parents of who did their work on Monday, and then I emailed out another report on Friday of who did their work. And so that seemed to be really successful, and I'm going to do that again this week. If you guys want me to, I can send one out on Wednesday as well, kind of a midweek report, just so you know where you're at. All right, let's talk about what we need to do this week. It's Unit 2 functions. Okay, so in Unit 2, there's 4 lessons, and it does get a little bit harder, but they touched on functions in Unit 1, so you're prepared. So this is how they break it down in Unit 2. In Unit 2 functions, you're going to learn how to teach Carol. Is it Carol or Carell? I don't know. Learn how to teach Carol new commands by combining existing commands and defining functions. All right, so lesson 1 I want you to do on Monday. Just going to be learning a lot about functions. And then lesson 2, practice with functions. You're going to be building some programs with functions. So that's Tuesday. Wednesday, you can either take a break and do Earth Day Hyperdoc, or you can keep going and do lesson 3, the start function, and you'll program a tower with the start function, pancakes, digging with Carell or Carol. Okay, and then lesson 4, you can either do Friday. There's only 4 lessons for the week, so you can finish them up, do one each day, Thursday, and or take a break in the middle, do the Earth Day Hyperdoc. All right, so lesson 4, top-down design and decomposition in Carol. So you'll have some little, you'll have some quizzes to do and some reflections and some videos, all kinds of different stuff in here. Lessons, quizzes, examples, exercises, debugging, and free response. Or you can just write like a sentence or whatever. Okay, so that's Unit 2 this week in CodeHS. I would love your feedback on how you guys like CodeHS, how it's going. Code Combat, they called me, a representative called me and asked me if I wanted a free pro version of Code Combat. So I told them we were already doing CodeHS and the kids are doing great. You guys are doing awesome with it. But, that is an option if we want to take a vote to do a game design course in Code Combat, which would usually cost money, but it is free at this time. Okay, so quick review. Monday, do lesson 1. Tuesday, lesson 2, very short. Wednesday, this is what I would do. Take a break, do the Earth Day Hyperdoc for a chance to win Amazon gift card. Thursday, lesson 3. Friday, lesson 4. Done with Unit 2. Thank you. I noticed that Sammy already finished Unit 2. I was learning how to invent my own hydroponic garden for, that's my goal for Earth Day this year, to make a little hydroponic garden. But yeah, if you want to go ahead like Sammy did, go for it. I love it. All right, so I think that's all I have for you today. I'm trying to keep these videos under 10 minutes, and it is 9 minutes right now, so I did it. Okay, I will talk to you guys on Zoom Monday at 2 o'clock. Otherwise, email me or let me know if you want to do the Google Meet option, where we would both click on, where'd that link go? Both click this link and video chat. Okay, I miss you guys. Hope you're staying healthy, and have a great week. One more month of school. Bye-bye.